Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P2122 pertains to the accelerator pedal position APP sensor A, indicating a low voltage reading in the throttle position TP sensor D circuit. This code signifies a problem detected by the powertrain control module, PCM, which is responsible for managing the engine and transmission performance in the Honda Civic. The APP sensor, integrated with the accelerator pedal module, plays a crucial role in translating the driver's acceleration input into electronic signals that the PCM can interpret. When the output voltage from the APP sensor falls below the specified threshold, the PCM identifies an abnormality, thereby storing this fault code. Components affected include the APP sensor and associated electrical circuits leading to the PCM. The APP sensor's location in the accelerator pedal module means that issues can arise from both mechanical obstructions and electrical failures in the circuit pathways to the PCM. The DTC P2122 indicates that the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor, has output voltage which is insufficient, specifically falling below the PCM's acceptable level. The PCM is the electronic control unit that monitors and adjusts various aspects of engine operation, receiving data from multiple sensors to improve performance and efficiency. The APP sensor is housed within the accelerator pedal module, making it critical for the acceleration process. It converts the physical position of the driver's foot on the accelerator pedal into electrical signals sent to the PCM. When the APP sensor circuit voltage drops below 0.2 volts, the PCM detects this anomaly, signaling that the car's responsiveness during acceleration may be compromised. This detected low voltage prompts the system to store the DTC P2122 for future diagnostics. Several issues can lead to the DTC P2122 being triggered. Firstly, a faulty APP sensor can cause a low output voltage by either electronic malfunction or physical damage within the integrated accelerator pedal module. Secondly, circuit malfunctions such as open or shorted connections can disrupt the flow of voltage from the APP sensor to the powertrain control module, PCM. An open circuit implies that the electrical pathway is incomplete, while a shorted circuit suggests unintended contact between wires. Lastly, if all other components appear to function correctly, the issue may reside within the PCM itself, which may require replacement. Each of these potential causes will need careful examination during the troubleshooting process to determine the exact fault. When the DTC P2122 is present, several symptoms may manifest in the vehicle's performance. Drivers may experience poor or unresponsive acceleration, leading to difficulty in controlling the vehicle's speed. This symptom occurs because the PCM is unable to accurately interpret the driver's inputs due to the sensor's faulty readings. There could also be erratic or limited throttle control, making it challenging to maintain consistent speeds, which can be particularly dangerous in traffic situations. Additionally, the check engine light on the dashboard will turn on, indicating to the driver that there is an underlying issue that needs attention. Ignoring these symptoms could lead to further complications or unsafe driving conditions. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P2122 is to check the voltage output from the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor A. Start by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on mode, which powers the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Then, connect a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to access real-time data. You should specifically look for the APP sensor A voltage reading on the diagnostic tool. Normal conditions indicate that the voltage output is greater than 0.2 volts. If the reading shows below this threshold, it confirms the existence of the fault. Successful completion of this step helps narrow down the issue to the APP sensor or its circuitry. In the second troubleshooting step, you will need to inspect the APP sensor circuit itself. Begin by disconnecting the APP sensor 6P connector to gain access to the terminals. Next, use a jumper wire to bridge terminals 4 and 6 of the sensor connector. This creates a controlled condition to test whether the APP sensor is the source of the issue. After jumping the terminals, turn the vehicle's ignition back to the on mode. Again, check the HDS for the APP sensor A voltage. This allows you to confirm whether the signal output is operating correctly. If the voltage now exceeds 0.2 volts, the issue is likely localized to the APP sensor itself and its connection to the PCM. The third step involves inspecting the circuits related to the APP sensor, particularly the VCC4 and APS1 wires that connect to the powertrain control module, PCM. First, ensure that the APP sensor 6P connector and PCM connector A are both disconnected. By checking these connections, you can eliminate any potential faults stemming from loose or corroded contacts. Next, inspect the wiring for the VCC4 and APS1 circuits for any signs of damage, shorts, or open circuits. A normal inspection will show resistance values of less than 1 ohm. If any anomalies are detected during this inspection, you will need to address them to ensure proper voltage flow to the APP sensor and subsequently the PCM. If all prior tests have confirmed normal conditions for the APP sensor and its associated circuitry, the next logical step is to inspect the powertrain control module, PCM, itself. The PCM is responsible for interpreting the signals from various sensors and is central to vehicle operation. During this inspection, check for any visible signs of damage to the PCM, such as burn marks, corrosion, or disconnections. Should the PCM be found to be defective based on comprehensive testing, it may require replacement. This step is critical, as a faulty PCM could lead to further complications and must be addressed promptly to restore optimal vehicle performance. After addressing the issues associated with DTC P2122, it is essential to conduct a final verification of repairs. Start by clearing any stored trouble codes from the powertrain control module, PCM, using a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Once the codes are cleared, perform a test drive to evaluate the vehicle's performance and responsiveness. During the test drive, pay close attention to the accelerator pedal's behavior to ensure it functions smoothly without lag or hesitation. Post-drive, use the HDS again to monitor the APP sensor values and confirm that they remain within normal parameters. Successful completion of this verification means the DTC has been resolved and the issue does not recur. To prevent issues like DTC P2122 from occurring in the future, a proactive approach to maintenance is advisable. Regularly checking the connections to the accelerator pedal position APP sensor can help identify loose or corroded pins before they lead to more significant problems. Additionally, inspecting the wiring harness for signs of wear or damage can prevent short circuits or breaks that disrupt the signal flow. Consider conducting periodic diagnostics using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to identify any emerging issues early, especially in vehicles showing signs of electrical instability. Taking these preventive measures not only ensures vehicle reliability, but also prolongs the life of the components involved. In conclusion, the DTC P2122 indicates a critical issue related to the accelerator pedal position APP sensor A's voltage output, an essential component for controlling vehicle acceleration. Effective troubleshooting includes a systematic check of the APP sensor, its related circuitry, and the powertrain control module, PCM. Key steps involve verifying voltages, inspecting wiring integrity, and ensuring all connections are secure. Remember, successful diagnosis requires careful observation and detailed testing. By performing preventive maintenance, you can catch potential issues early, ensuring the longevity of both the sensor and the vehicle itself. Understanding and resolving this DTC is vital for maintaining optimal performance and safety in your Honda Civic. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.